Hey, what's going on? So you purchased a credit repair sales script. Now, the only issue with that is if you don't have anyone to sell to, it's basically pointless. So I thought to myself, well, how can I make this offer just better? So what I did is I put together a live course. What is a live course? That means that I'm creating a course live. The reason I'm creating this course live is because it gives everyone the opportunity to ask questions and get those questions answered live. Now, in this course, I'm covering something that most people don't cover, and that's the legit way to market a profitable, sustainable, predictable credit repair business that operates without you. So that means you no longer have to work in the business, you can work on the business. So I'm about to go into my computer and I just want to give you a sample. And at any time when you're ready to start, just hit the button below and join the Facebook group. What's going on, guys? So look, we're in my computer. So, I'm going to keep this very short. I don't believe in fluff or, I don't even like saying fluff. I don't believe in bullshit, so I'm going to be 100 with you guys and I'm going to be straightforward. And this little presentation that I have is just a synopsis of what I will be covering in the course, what you can expect in the course, and the results that you're going to get at the end of the course. So, I just want to put this together before you invest your time, your energy, to make sure it makes sense. Because if it doesn't make dollars, it doesn't make sense, period. So in this course, I want to show you guys how to grow a predictable, profitable, and scalable 6 or 7-figure credit repair business without using affiliates, referrals, social media followers, or posting 8 to 10 times a day. The reason I created this is because first and foremost, I do a lot of business with like top credit repair business owners, and at the same time, I get a lot of people that aren't making 6 or 7 figures wanting to, scale the business, grow the business, but because of the limited time I have, I can't work with everyone. I'm very selective with the people I work with, but I still want to give y'all guys an opportunity and chance, and really just to know exactly what it takes to have a 6 or 7 credit repair business, on what really matters, what really pushes the needle forward, because it's not what you might think of. So when I made this, I made this for specific people, for credit repair business owners. Whether you're just starting, you don't need followers, you don't need testimonials, you don't even need a website to really grow, your credit repair business, automate your credit repair business, and make, a lot of money. When you get to 6 or 7 figures, you probably want to start getting your testimonials, your followers, your website, all that kind of stuff together. But to make your first $20,000 a month, $30,000, you don't need none of that. All right. And I'm about to show you guys exactly how to do that without having any of those things starting off. So, what if what if you're a credit repair business and maybe you're just stuck? See, that's another thing. Is a lot of businesses are doing okay, but they're not able to scale because they don't understand how to scale. They're stuck because they're doing the same thing that they use to start the business, but it won't help them scale the business. Another audience where I want to talk to is a lot of credit repair business owners. They just feel overwhelmed. Because the thing is, you're working in your business, and honestly, you don't want to be a slave to your business. You want to work on your business. You don't want to work in your business. You want to work on your business. So that you can be financially free. You have a better peace of mind. You're able to spend time with your loved one. I mean, the reason we're entrepreneurs is so that we can control our own schedule. But when we're working in our business, we become a slave of our business. And not only that, maybe some of you guys have a marketing team, whether it's in-house or you're outsourcing it, and I don't know, maybe you want to get better results, or maybe you want a blueprint, maybe you want to understand what your marketing team is really doing to see if you're really wasting money or not. So that's everything. If you're in any of those situations, this is perfect for you. So I want to jump into, this is the bonuses that comes with this course, right? Because I want to make sure that this is non-techie, very cookie cutter, very very simple, very easy that anyone can do. So what I did is everything I use, everything that we use to grow our clients' credit repair businesses, from the video scripts, from the automation systems, from the ad templates, the email automation sequence, text automation sequence, appointment automation sequence. The face we created a Facebook targeting cheat sheet, proven credit repair funnels, sales scripts and sales trackers. You get access to a private Facebook group, weekly coaching calls, and this teleprompter app that is amazing. That you'll kill your video ads. You know what I'm saying? So the thing is, I don't want you to have to do what we've done, spend all the money and the time to figure out these things when it's already done and we already created it. You can use it, you can utilize it to make your job easier, right? So I know by this time you probably wonder, who am I and why am I qualified to even teach a course? Why am I qualified? Like, why am I special? Like, why should you listen to me? Well, my name's OLAN Douglas. I created a 6-figure digital marketing agency. Just for credit repair business owners, in less than 90 days, actually. So not only that, but like all of my clients are 6 and 7 figure earners. So, we spend about 10 to 100K plus running ads every day. Our clients make well over 70K a month in their business. They're closing at a 40% close rate at package. They have one of my clients is selling credit repair for $10,000. You know what I mean? That's just one of them. But on average, they're anywhere between $1,000 to $1,800. So we deal with a lot of high ticket credit repair companies. So now what we do is we do the consulting, strategizing, marketing, implement automations. We do basically everything to get the ball rolling. So that's cool. I mean, that's cool or whatever. But the coolest part for me is that I was able to grow my company and my client's company without any followers. So if you look at my Instagram, I have no followers. Look at my Facebook. I don't even do Facebook, Instagram, even though I do Facebook, Instagram. But I was able to make a full-time living for myself, live a life where I'm able to do what I want when I want to. And I never post on social media. Like, I don't rely on word of mouth either, even though I do get word of mouth clients, but that is not my main source of clients, and that's not my client's main source of clients is word of mouth or any of those things. So, you don't have to have all those things put together to really grow your credit business. Now, I mean, all that sounds amazing, but I want you to understand, like, I'm really a dipshit. I don't know how I figured out a lot of this thing. So, for example, like even in this recording right now, I forgot to put stuff in the to communicate, to take this stuff off. Like, seriously, like, not only that, I made we made $250,000 with an ad with incorrect grammar and spelling. So yeah, I'm not nobody special. I dropped out of college. I failed at 7 other companies. I got kicked out of the military. I can't spell worth of shit, and I have horrible grammar. So I say that to say that it doesn't matter, what your situation is, if you're techie, not techie, if you're just starting, whatever it is, if you really just follow the system, you're going to be successful, Yeah. So now I really don't like doing that fluffy stuff, doing all that talking about stuff. I really like getting to the main things that's really going to give you the results, really going to create that value. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, results is what really matters. At the end of the day, it's about the results. So what is the credit repair lead system? Or what is the credit repair leads? The program is called Credit Repair Lead System. So everything is based on this concept called the credit repair lead system. The credit repair lead system is nothing more than these 3 things, which is number 1, quality leads, number 2, confirmed demonstrations, number 3, closed clients. That is the $1 million secret. That's a $1 million formula. But the thing is, people do not really understand how to optimize, how to manipulate, and how to control this formula. Okay, so I want to define each aspect of this formula real quick so we can be very clear. So quality leads, like what I mean by quality leads, like what I get, in our system is we're not only just getting name, email, and phone number. I'm it's like before my clients or anyone gets on the phone, they already know how soon the client's going to get started. They already know what's the source of their income. They already know what would be the first thing they would do when they increase their credit score. They already know what negative items are on their credit report before they even get on the phone. This is very powerful because it gives you so much leverage. So that's my definition of quality leads. Number one. Number two is confirmed demonstrations. I mean, simply doing a credit analysis is a confirmed demonstration. Someone just scheduling an appointment doesn't mean anything. Getting on the phone, doing analysis, that's what you call a confirmed demonstration, right? So, and then closing. I don't have corona. Don't worry about it. So your close rate, on average, the lowest close rate you should be closing is 20%. The highest, 40 and above, whatever. That's average. Now, the reason this is important because once you know these three things, once you understand the credit repair lead system, you're able to grow a profitable, scalable credit repair business automatically. And I'm about to share with you exactly how. All right. So let's say that you wanted to make 10K a month. It's just only a couple things you need to know. A lot of people over complicate this. They start talking about their logos. Woo, woo, woo. They talk about like 1,000 different things. But at the end of the day, sales is going to keep you in business. If you're not making sales, everything you're talking about is really irrelevant. You need to understand how to make money. And that's something that I don't know why people don't really focus on, but it's not really focused on. So for example, on average, each client to you is worth $1,000. You want to make 10K, you need 10 clients. And like we said on the previous screen, you're going to close at a 20% close rate at the very worst. Now, how we use that is, now this is what it looks like. It's like a triangle, it's a funnel, same thing. It's a funnel. So we just need to work backwards. And that's how we really can create a profitable credit repair business. So if we know we need 10 clients and we know that we're always going to close 20% of the demos, then we need to do 50 demos. And then you probably need to ask yourself, okay, how do I know how many leads I need to generate? On average, out of all the leads you generate, and this is based on historical data because we've been doing this for so long, on average, 40% of the leads, of quality leads, are going to schedule a demo. So I want you to look at this and I want you to understand how significant, how important this is, because if you look at this, you can really focus and understand where you might be failing in your business. For example, if you able to consistently produce 125 leads on the snap of a finger, and out of these 125 leads, do you have 40% scheduling demo? All right, so right there, you know that if you can't do this part, then something's wrong. Something's wrong on top. Something's wrong with however you're generating leads. Something's wrong with however you're getting people to schedule a demonstration. So if you're not getting these numbers, then the bottom, all this doesn't even matter, right? So this is what I mean about understanding your numbers, being able to identify which part of your funnel or which part of your business is not working correctly so you can optimize it, right? So let's say you are getting 125 leads every month and you're 40% of those are scheduling a demo, right? So you get to talk to 50 people a month. And out of 50 people a month, you don't close 10. You close less than 10, then that means it's a sales problem. If you can't even close 20% of 50, you can't even close that, then the sales is messed up. So now you know what to focus on. If that makes sense. So that's just how they go. So all you have to do, if you know this, if you know that 20% is the worst, then you need to start working on getting to 40%. That's how you're gonna make more money. If you know that if you get 125 leads and everything goes like this, you'll get this, then all you have to really do is change the amount of leads. Scale it. Let's do 300 leads. So it's the same process, 300 leads, 40%, and it's gonna go through the same process and you're gonna get whatever you get. So that's why understanding the fundamentals, this part is so crucial and so serious. But let's be honest, 80% of people fail. I just really gave you the whole, like, a very simple as I could put it. That is the formula. But 80% of people fail in the credit repair business because they're not able to even generate the quality leads or not even go through the funnel at all, right? So let me share with you a reason why people are failing. What's the difference between the 20% that are winning, the 20% that are making consistent money, the 20% that are doing what they want to do, and they're not stressing, they're not even working. It's funny, they're not even working in their business. They're chilling. They're working on the business. They're not even doing all the things you think they might be doing realistically. So 80% of you guys are failing is because you don't know how to generate like real quality leads consistently. Whether it's Facebook ads, Instagram ads, you just in general, you just don't know how to do it. You know what I mean? And that is what we cover in my course in Module 1, right? Number 2 is you have to be able to automate and filter out the quality leads, right? So we cover how to segment, how to attract higher paying clients. Like I said, my clients are closing at $1,000 or $10,000 on credit repair, and it's because of a particular way that we're generating leads. It's a quality thing, right? Not, and then after that, man, just getting the leads to show up to their appointments. That's where a lot of people are failing at too, because they don't really have the right systems in place. They don't know how to do this. And the thing is, we don't do none of this manually. We automate this whole everything. So this is not something that someone's doing, 24/7. Because the thing is, you should be focusing on what you do best, and that's fixing people's credit. You need a system to do this for you. And last but not least, some of you guys just don't know how to close. If you went through the leads and you got high quality leads and you got the appointments and you're still not winning, it's because you just don't know how to close. So the solution is that you just kind of just join the program. I mean, all you got to do is click the link below, get in the Facebook group, and the instructions going to be there. And we're going to cover these modules step by step on what to do. And not only that, is I'm actually giving the stuff away, like already done for you. Really, I just need you to understand the concepts, but we're giving away like the blueprints, the funnels, the automations. We're giving it all to you, like every single thing, like everything that we use right now to make $70,000 a month in credit repair companies. We're giving it all to you. We're giving you everything. So we're really revealing. We're in this course. Most of the course is actually in the my ad campaign, so that you can see my clients live and what they're doing and how it works. So, like I said, I hope you click the link below. I hope you join the Facebook group, and I hope you get a lot of value out of this course. And I hope you grow your 6 and 7 credit repair business without really working in it. You're able to work on it. So have a good one. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.